Tesla boss Elon Musk has opened a huge electric car gigafactory near Berlin, which is the first European hub for the firm. The plan was delayed for 8 months after local authority licensing problems. The more than €5 billion factory is the biggest investment in German car plant in recent history. Tesla said more than 3,000 of the factory's expected 12,000 workers had been hired so far. Mr. Musk said, "This is a great day for the factory," describing it as another step in the direction of a sustainable future. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said the plant was a sign of progress in the future of the car industry. So what secrets does the factory hold that we are unaware of? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to Elon Dynasty. Today we are going to discuss the secrets of Tesla's Giga Berlin factory. So make sure you watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Tesla Incorporated is an American electric car company that is also well known to produce the best electric vehicles with the best CEO you can find on the face of the earth, Elon Musk. Tesla currently supplies fully autonomous electric cars and trucks, solar panels, solar roof tiles, plus energy storage lithium-ion batteries. In addition, there are also other services that Tesla provides. Tesla Incorporated was founded back in the year 2003 by Elon Musk. Currently, there are 4 fully functional factories of the Tesla located in California, Nevada, Texas, and China, and Tesla plans to build more factories. One of the new factories is located in Berlin, which is the best Tesla factory ever built according to the CEO Elon Musk. Tesla sees the Berlin factory producing up to 500,000 vehicles annually. The Automotor und Sport publication in Germany reported that Tesla plant is targeting output of 2,000 vehicles in the first few weeks of serial production. Troy Teslaik, an independent Tesla researcher, tweeted that the firm is then hoping that the vehicle output will hit 1,000 per week at the 6-week mark following the start of commercial production, and then 5,000 per week by the end of 2022. Giga Berlin has been several years in the making. It is extremely important to Tesla's plans to expand globally following the opening of its Gigafactory 3 plant in Shanghai in late 2019. The company has also started production for the Model Y at another plant in Austin, Texas recently, but Tesla is yet to hold a grand opening for that site. In November 2019, when Musk announced plans to build a car plant in Germany, he lauded German engineering. He said, "Everyone knows that German engineering is outstanding for sure. That's part of the reason why we are locating our Gigafactory Europe in Germany. We are also going to create an engineering and design center in Berlin, because Berlin has some of the best art in the world." This factory is also making batteries at an annual rate of 50 gigawatt hours or GWH, surpassing all other plants in Germany. For now, Volkswagen still holds the upper hand in Europe's electric vehicle market, with a 25% market share to Tesla's 13%. Mr. Musk has said ramping up production will take longer than the 2 years it took to build the plant. Tesla received the final go-ahead from local authorities on March 4th to begin production, providing it met several conditions, covering issues such as water use and air pollution control. The car maker had come close to losing its water supply contract when local environmental groups filed a complaint against the Environmental Ministry, challenging the license it granted to Tesla's water supplier. Giga Berlin is expected to produce the Model 3 and Model Y first and foremost, and these models have been the most in demand in Europe, with Tesla sitting on a sizable backlog of orders, as are other EV makers at the moment. The 2 smaller and less expensive models have accounted for over 90% of Tesla's output in 2021. As the automaker suffered a few stumbles with the update of the Model S and Model X, which received yoke-style steering setups during the course of last year, but have yet to return to previous production volumes due to ongoing production issues. Delivery times for the 2 older and more expensive models are also far longer than for the Model 3 and Model Y at the moment, which recently received a series of unannounced price hikes in the United States. The opening of the Tesla factory with Elon Musk in Brandenburg is an important sign. Germany is a strong location for industrial investments, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said on his official Twitter account. "This is how we will succeed in becoming carbon neutral and leading the transformation. The future belongs to electromobility." In Europe, Tesla faces renewed and rapidly growing competition from Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW, all of which are launching multiple new electric models this year. The Volkswagen Group's offerings have already eclipsed Tesla's in variety, spread out among Audi, CEAT, Skoda, Porsche, and VW brands, while BMW is on nothing short of an EV launching spree this year, along with Mercedes-Benz. Just how long Tesla's momentum in Europe can last will be answered in due time, as European automakers are also busy opening plants to support production of new EV models on Tesla's home continent, North America. For Musk, Giga Berlin is of strategic importance. Together with a new factory in Austin, Texas, he hopes to see Tesla become a real mass producer of electric cars in the course of a year. The US car manufacturer could be able to produce 1.3 million units globally in 2023. If it succeeds, it would leave behind such renowned brands as Volvo and Mitsubishi, and be on a level playing field with Volkswagen Skoda. Regional politicians see Giga Berlin as the most significant investment project across eastern Germany and have pinned great hope on the factory's long-term economic effects. The state of Brandenburg, which surrounds Berlin, is economically underdeveloped, with agriculture and, above all, mining being the most important sources of income, apart from tourism. But coal mining is to be phased out, and new employment opportunities are desperately needed. The Tesla plant in Grünheim will eventually employ 12,000 people, up from over 3,000 right now, according to IG Metal Trade Union estimates. Not many of them come from Brandenburg itself right now, but more jobs will be created if the state succeeds in turning the region into a future mobility and energy transition hub. Aspirations on all sides are high. Tesla claims that Giga Berlin will be the company's most advanced and efficient facility yet. Apart from manufacturing Model Y cars at record speeds, the Grünheim premise will also include a battery cell production plant meant to be the world's largest such facility. Musk has indicated the plant will have an annual production capacity of up to 100 gigawatt hours, or GWH, in an initial stage, which may later be expanded to 200 gigawatt hours. But the plant capacity at the start would be enough to produce batteries for well over 1 million Model Y cars. Experts expect Tesla to produce a new generation of 80 by 60 millimeter cells, promising higher energy density. Eventually, that would mean that the cars could extend their current range by 16%. To the big surprise of many, Tesla in November withdrew its application for subsidies for its Grünheim battery plant, thus renouncing a sum that could have been as high as $1.13 billion. Was that just a noble gesture? Tesla itself has recently said it wanted to protect its battery cell know-how with the move. In addition, the Financial Times dug out a clause that might have been another plausible reason for Musk's move. In line with subsidies rules with the EU's important project of Common European Interest Program, enterprises are not entitled to receive funding for technologies that they've already been using at other facilities, meaning the battery cells cannot already be made at another Tesla plant. When Tesla announced its battery plans for Germany, it hoped the plant would be operational fast enough to be the first of its kind globally, but various delays at Giga Berlin seem to have thwarted that plan, given that the US car maker is now deploying the same technology at its factories in Texas and Shanghai. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about today's video? And what are your thoughts about Tesla's amazing Berlin factory? Let us know in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the latest updates. Thank you for watching.